Na-realize kong hindi ito ang gusto kong buhay. I want to get married someday. Magkaroon ng sarili kong pamilya. Ayokong maging babae mo habang buhay. Ayoko nang makasakit ng iba. I'm sorry, Joey. I don't know what to say. Tinatanggap ko ang pagkakamali ko.
Mabuti naman. Tinanggap mo pagkakamali mo.
Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali. Ikaw, Joey, nagkamali ka rin.
Oo. Nagkamali ako. Nakakalain kong magiging faithful ka sa akin.
Just because you pay my rent? You gave me a nice job? You think you have bought me? Tinutumbasan ko naman lahat ng mga pabor mo sa akin, ah. Yes, you pay my rent. But you sleep here sometimes, hindi ba? You gave me a job. I work my... Isn't that enough?
And the lies you told me about Gary. Yung ba, kamalian ko rin? Dahil pinaniniwalaan ko?
The lies I told you about Gary was to protect you. Not me. Ayokong saktan ang pride mo. Gusto kong isipin mong ikaw lang. Dahil alam kong makakatulong yun sa peace of mind mo. Masakit, Joey. Dahil alam kong alam mo that your wife is playing around. I did not present myself to you as a trembling virgin. Pero hindi ako masamang babae, Joey. Hindi ako mapagsamantala. I never got anything I don't deserve. Ngayon, kung binabalak mong parusahan ako, maybe I deserve that too. Kaya lang kung iisipin, napakahirap ng kalagayan ko sa'yo. Ako'y girlfriend mo, mistress mo, babae mo. But I can't think the worst of myself dahil doon. I just can't take it anymore, Joey. Yung nangyari sa amin ni Waldo kagabi. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Siguro, hinahanap ko pang sarili ko hanggang ngayon. Hindi ko pa natatagpuan.
Candy, I've always liked you. I've always enjoyed your company. But this is the first time I have learned to respect you. Ginagalang ko ang katapatan mo. You're okay, Candy.
Let's just be friends, Joey. Na-realize kong hindi ito ang gusto kong buhay. I want to get married someday. Magkaroon ng sarili kong pamilya. Ayokong maging babae mo habang buhay. Ayoko nang makasakit ng iba. Sana maintindihan mo, Joey.
Pero, boss mo pa rin ako. Pwede?
Sure.
Tungkol sa ating dalawa. Tingnan natin. Let's keep things open. In the meantime. Think about it. Okay?